This is an air fryer I've been looking forward to trying out. It's a 6.8 quart from COSORI, and this one has Bluetooth. It's a smart one. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. Comes with a nice kind of welcome envelope. I'm assuming there's some recipes in here. There are. Looking forward to that. I'm always curious to see what you can do with an air fryer, or what more you can do with an air fryer. All right, so this one uses a 3-prong outlet. It has a fairly long cord. We'll go ahead and, well, first I guess we should peel off this cling from the front here. It's always fun. It's telling us not to fill it with oil. A lot of people hear fryer and they think it's an oil fryer. So we'll plug it in, 3-prong outlet. When it turns on, you get your power button to light up, and we can turn it on. It's pretty simple. We've got some presets for chicken, steak, veggies, fries, and more. You can just hit it to air fry. It's already at 360. It'll go up to 400. You can set it for the time, and then you got your play or your cook. It runs. It doesn't. It's not very loud. Shut it off, pause it. The tray is pretty large. It's a square tray, pretty large and pretty deep. You can see how deep it is. It'll tell you when the drawer is open, and it'll come back to life when the drawer is closed again, and you can start it off. Very cool. I'm looking forward to trying out the Wi-Fi settings so that you can run it from the smartphone. Hope this helps.